Hello students, welcome to Suraj School Bhiwadi. Today I Taruna Seni is going to start a new exercise, that is 14.2, the topic number 14.3, presentation of data. So beta presentation, as we have studied the meaning of statistics, I earlier told you that statistics is derived from a Latin word statistic, which means the political state. Statistics in singular sense means that it is an art of collection. It is a science of collecting, presenting and analyzing and interpreting the data. So in our exercise, we will study about how to present the data. So presentation of data means whenever we collect the data, suppose I am taking a test of class 9 students out of 30 marks. So some student is getting 22, some is getting 28, some is getting 29, some is getting 21, some is getting 27 and so on. So beta, this is a raw data. It doesn't matter. It is not meaningful. Okay, it cannot be easily understood. So presentation of data means to present the data in such a manner that it is understandable to the user. So this data is not presentable, this is not understandable. But if I arrange the number like 21, 22, 27, 28, 29, so the child having 29 marks can easily see that getting highest marks, and the child getting 21 marks can easily see that getting lowest marks. You can also identify your positions. So presentation means data presenting in such a manner that it is understandable to the user. So this form of data is called as raw data. Raw data means the data which is collected originally is called raw data. But when we will arrange it either in ascending order, data which we collect originally is called raw data. Fine. The data collected originally is called raw data. But if we will arrange in ascending order or in descending order, means we are forming an array. Array means we are doing some arrangements. Then it would be easier. For example, if I take one example, you can see here example 1. Consider the marks obtained by 10 students. A teacher has taken maths test of 10 students. The marks are 55, 36, 95, 75, 73, 60, etc. So this data is called raw data. Now we want to find out the highest and lowest marks. So the data in this form is not readable. But if we will arrange it in ascending order, 25, 36, 42, 55, 60, 62, 73, 75, 78, 95, then you can see that this is the lowest marks. And what is the highest marks? That is 95. Means when we arrange the data, we get easily the lowest and the highest marks. Now we can easily find out the range. Range means the difference between the highest and the lowest. Okay, so 95 minus 25, that is 70. So you get range. Range means the difference between the highest and the lowest value. So what do you understand by the presentation of data means? It is the data to be presented in such a manner that it is understandable to the user. And when we arrange in ascending or the descending order, data can be arranged and look properly, and we can easily find the range. Now you can see the another example, example number 2. Consider the marks obtained out of 100 marks by 30 students of class 9 of a school. 10, 20, 36, 92, 95, 40, 50, 56 and so on till 88. So this data is not usable because some digits are repeating here. Okay, and it is meaningless. But if I will arrange it like this, marks, number of students, then you can see 10 marks got by one student, 20 marks got by one student, 36 marks got by 3 students, 40 marks got by 4 students. So now the data is presentable. This form of data presenting is known as ungrouped frequency distribution table. This is called ungrouped frequency distribution table, or you can say a frequency distribution table. It is ungrouped. Okay, but if we will arrange the data, for example in example 3 question, you can see 100 plants each were planted in 100 schools during one Mahotsav. After 1 month, the number of plants survived were recorded as 95, 67, 28. Means suppose you have planted plants 95, 60, 100 plants. So how many are survived? 95, 67, 28 and so on. So this data is again meaningless. But if I will prepare like in this table, you can clearly see the number of plants survived 20 to 29 telemarks we will prepare. Then the number of schools 3, then 30 to 39 14. In this manner you will prepare a telemarks. In earlier classes also you have prepared telemarks. Suppose the number is 22. For example, in your question the first item is 95, so 95 will come in this category, so you will put 1 bar. Then 67 will come in this category, put 1 bar. Then 28 will come in this category. Then 32 will come in this category. Then 65 again come in this category. Then 69 is again 69 will come in this category. Fine. Now 33 will come in this category. So you will go on doing this and you will get the frequency. Frequency is the number of schools. Okay. So in this manner you will prepare grouped frequency table. What is this table called? Grouped frequency distribution table. Fine. Now you can see the next question, that is example number 4. Let us now consider the following frequency distribution table, which gives the weight of 38 students of a class, 31 to 35, 36 to 40, 41 to 45. So the weight in between 31 to 35 is 9. The weight between 36 to 40 is 5 students. But suppose if the child is having the weight of 35.5, so where will you put this value? So it is very confusing to put this value. Suppose we have one child is having a weight of 40.5. Again this is very difficult to put the value 40.5. So what we have to do, beta, this type of series is known as continuous series. What is this type of series, beta? Continuous. But this is inclusive series. This is inclusive series. Whenever the question is an inclusive series, what you have to do? You have to change it into exclusive series. So you can clearly see the difference here. The difference is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Difference between the upper limit and the lower limit of the next class is 1. So do the half of 1, that is 0.5. Whatever is the difference, do the half, that is 0.5. So subtract it from the lower limit, add into the upper limit. So when you subtract 0.5 from 31, you will get 30.5, and when you will add in the upper limit, it is 35.5. When you subtract from 36, it is 35.5. When you add here 40.5, when you subtract here 40.5, when you add here 45.5. So your data will look like this. So this is called exclusive. This is called exclusive series. Means 35.5 will not included here. It will included in this class. If 40.5 data is there, then 40.5 not included here. 40.5 will be included here. Means in exclusive series, upper limit are excluded. They are included in the next class. I have discussed with you two kind of series, beta. Inclusive series. Inclusive means 0 to 9, 11 to 19, 21 to 30. So in inclusive, 0 is included, 9 is included. Okay, 11 is included, 19 is included. Means both upper and the lower limit are included. But in case of the exclusive series, if we talk about, then upper limit are not included in the class. Okay, so on the basis of this, beta, you will try exercise 14.2. Thank you so much. God bless you all.